In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting directly from an email invitation. Whether you're getting ready for an online class, a work meeting, or you simply want to join a quick call without any confusion, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your email inbox and go to the message that contains your Microsoft Teams meeting invitation. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Join Microsoft Teams Meeting or the clickable meeting link inside the email. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. This link is what connects you straight to the meeting. Next, click on the meeting link. You'll see several options that help you choose how you want to join. You might be asked whether you want to open the Microsoft Teams app or continue using your web browser. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. If you click Continue on this browser, Teams will open right away without needing an app. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable, check that your microphone and camera are allowed in your browser settings, and keep your Teams app updated if you're joining through the application. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, you'll land on the preview screen. Here you can turn your camera and microphone on or off before joining. After that, you should be able to click Join Now and enter your meeting without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to join a minute or two early just to make sure everything is working properly. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and helps you avoid last-minute stress. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to join a Microsoft Teams meeting from an email invitation easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling to join their Teams meetings. Why not make someone's day easier?